program. Um, we first off we import from the library the Java Swing and whatever we need. Now we made a public class UI stand on GFrame. That means it's gonna be on the little window. Now we set the values on a G label, the quarters, dime, nickels, and penny. Now we make the text box for the user. The G text field, the input. This is like the text box for the user input. Now we're gonna make the constructor method. So G panel my panel. We're gonna call my panel on a new G panel. This is for the size of the little window that we're gonna make. Now we're gonna add the panel on the object. We add the new G label. We're gonna make the enter amount. That's gonna be the input. We're gonna make the quarters, and we're gonna set out the quarters value, and we're gonna do like the same for every single coin. Now we're gonna add the bottoms and the listeners. G bottom, we're gonna make the clear bottom as a clear and the calculate bottom as a calculate, and we add the calculate and clear bottom to the my panel. Now we're gonna put the listeners for every single bottom and the input. Now this is make sure like the center window, so the null and the location is, that's mean the window is in the middle of the screen. This is the title, and this is the exit bottoms. Now we're gonna make the constructor. So in main string, UI window and a new UI. Window set visible true. That means that we're gonna see the window. Now we're gonna implement the action on listener, the listener. Now we make the value. We're gonna set text to the quarters, dime, nickels, pennies, and the input, and that's mean every time we're gonna hit enter, the cursor is gonna come back to it's gonna highlight the number again, so it's easy for the user. Now we're gonna make the calculate. We're gonna initialize the quarter and the dime and the nickel and change as the dimes. Now the string amount is gonna be the input get text. So this means we're gonna set the input as the string amount. Now we're gonna do the loops to calculate every coin, and we set the coins value as in the window. And now the cache is mean like if the user hit something that is not a number, we're gonna cache that problem and say invalid. Okay, let's see if it runs. Now it's sending me to the minimum coins. Everything looks good. Now hit 44, hit, and it's highlight in blue right here. You can see, every time we hit enter. Okay, now let's do a name and say invalid. It clear and it calculate, right? And it close. Thank you.